Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the RootDex token. Ticker symbol is REX, R-E-X. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the RootDex token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a max total supply of 50 million tokens. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token. And the actual ticker symbol for this token is ROOT, R-O-O-T. But this token got a brand new central exchange listing, and on this central exchange, they might already have a token with the ticker symbol ROOT. So it just got listed today, December 30th at 10 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global, and the ticker symbol is REX. So if you're looking to get this token, they just got listed today on MEXC, and if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search REX, R-E-X, which is the ticker symbol on MEXC, and then simply just buy the token. But like I said, if you are looking for this token on their BSC scan, since this is a BNB token, you would search Root, and it would be under RootDex token, ticker symbol Root on BSC scan. So just be aware of the difference and don't get confused. But yeah, so besides that, they do have a Telegram that you could join at RootDex official community. They have almost 5,000 members on there, and that's a great place to join the conversation if you want to chat with others regarding this project. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up here on the corner, in the corner of the screen here, so you guys can easily find this project. And on their Twitter, you can see that they have a link to their webpage, rootdex.space. Over there, you can also find a full white paper, all their socials. So there's 248 tweets you could review there, and they just joined, they joined in June 2021 on Twitter, so this is a fairly old Twitter, but they have 7,757 followers on their Twitter. Now, on their white paper, you could just skip right over to the white paper if you want to just go to root-dex.gitbook.io, and that's going to have all the information about on this project. They even have it listed as REX token here on their Gitbook, which is interesting because the actual ticker symbol is Root on BSC scan. So it says RootDex, decentralized derivatives exchange. So RootDex is a decentralized derivative exchange offering up to 100 times leverage, high liquidity, low fees, and no transaction slippage, competing directly with platforms like DEX. RootDex innovates with its PV pool, aka PVP trading mechanism, enabling direct trading between traders and liquidity pools. This mechanism empowers liquidity providers to add or remove liquidity for linear, inverse, and quanto contracts to or from single asset pools with the significant advantage of no and permanent loss. This stands as a unique feature of RootDex that ensures the utmost flexibility for liquidity providers. In the PV pool mechanism, liquidity providers can earn transaction fees from trades occurring within the pool. Additionally, they are issued LP tokens, which represent their stake in the pool. These LP tokens can potentially be sold at a higher price in the future, providing an additional profit avenue for liquidity providers. RootDex is an innovative PV pool trading mechanism and competitive features aims to offer a top-tier decentralized trading experience while also delivering attractive incentives for liquidity providers. So why would you choose RootDex? Well, there's high security, so RootDex's smart contracts are open source and have been thoroughly audited by several reputable security firms, ensuring the highest level of security standards. Over the years, RootDex has recorded no security breaches. Users maintain full control over their funds and have the freedom to withdraw them from the smart contract at any time. There is superior trading experience, so RootDex offers up to 100 times leverage for linear, inverse, and quanto perpetual contracts. It accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and USDT, and other major cryptocurrencies as margin. The platform supports advanced features such as limit orders, take profit and stop loss orders, and funding fees. RootDex's user-friendly trading interface is designed to cater to both new and experienced traders. It's easy to use, so RootDex offers a frictionless trading experience with no registration or login required. Users are not required to complete any KYC procedures. You can start trading perpetual contracts by connecting your cryptocurrency wallet to RootDex. And there's high liquidity, so RootDex leverages the RIC-AMM model, which significantly enhances the liquidity on the exchange, allowing users to enter and exit positions with minimal spread and zero price impact, thus maintaining a smooth and efficient trading experience. So if you want to review the info on the PV pool trading mechanisms, you can do that on their Gitbook, along with positioning modes, pricing fees, contract types, order types, maintenance margin, liquidity mechanisms, slippage, etc. All that information is on their Gitbook. Now, this is actually a cross-chain token. It is an ERC20 token and a BEP20 token. So you can most likely find this on Etherscan as well, along with the BSC scan. And it says there is a V1 supply of 50 million tokens. How the token is split up, 50% of the tokens go to community rewards, 30% goes to founding team and angel investors, 10% other early investors, and 10% foundation reserve. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Check out everything in the description box, including my Facebook, Patreon. If you want to help support the channel, you could hit that join button. And thank you to all the people who have been hitting it. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.